Meet King Sejong, Hangul's creator. Hi everyone! Before we start learning Hangul, let me tell you why this alphabet is so special. It has an amazing story that every Korean learner should know. Long ago in Korea, around 600 years ago, most people couldn't read or write. Why? Because Korean people had to use Chinese characters, and there were thousands of them. It took many, many years to learn. Only rich people and scholars could read and write. Regular people, they couldn't. Then came King Sejong. He was a very kind king who cared about his people. He thought, this isn't fair. Everyone should be able to read and write, not just rich people. So in 1443, he created something new, Hangul. It was simple and smart. Only 24 letters, 14 consonants, and 10 vowels, King Sejong said. Smart people can learn this in one morning. Regular people can learn it in just 10 days. Amazing, right? What makes Hangul so easy? The letters show you how to move your mouth. When you make the geog sound, your tongue goes to the back of your mouth. And that's what the letter looks like. It's like the alphabet teaches you how to speak. This is why Korean is easier to learn than many other languages. King Sejong made it easy on purpose. So when you're learning Hangul, remember, you're learning an alphabet made with love by a king who wanted everyone to read and write. That's pretty cool, right? Now let's start learning these special letters together. Thank you for watching. Ready for the next lesson? Subscribe.